Hello everyone, today WOODSEN wood chippers operation in our factory. First, 6 meters conveyor belt. The wood logs can be conveyed 8 to 10 tons per hour, while the wood veneers can be conveyed 3 to 5 tons per hour. This is cast steel parts with serrated filling rulers. This is our wood chipper electric box.
Intelligent soft starter.
Our special is counterweight wheels and automatic lifting machine. Our machine uses automatic cylinder lifting parts. This is a 55 kilowatt motor. This is output 10 meters conveyor belt. This is our wood chips product. 3 to 5 meters wood chip.